In last chapter 7, we have discussed about the electrodynamics, but now I am going to discuss about the conservation laws. These include, for example, conservation of charge, conservation of energy, conservation of momentum, and conservation of angular momentum. But I am interested to discuss about the conservation of charge and energy only. So here, charge and energy. So there are two types of conservation of charges. One is the global conservation of charge. What is meant by global conservation of charge? The total charge in the universe is constant. The total charge, let's suppose this is the universe and we have a charge, positive charge here, and then it goes to somewhere in the universe and it is found here, then this charge will remains constant throughout the universe. So this is called the global conservation of charge, and the another one is local conservation of charges. And if the total charge and some volume we change, then exactly that amount of charge must have passed in or out through that surface. Then we can say that there is some decrease or increase of charges in this volume, and here this conservation, when the charge goes from this volume to here, then this can be considered as a local charge conservation, because the charge only pass from this surface or this end to this surface. So this is called a local charge conservation. Now we consider the charge in any volume V. We have this volume V, and the charge we have rho and d tau, because this is the total charge inside this volume. If the charge come out from the surface, then current will produce. If this charge start motion from this volume, then it will produce a current. Then the local conservation we can write dq divided by dt, which is equal to minus integral j dot dA. And further, we know about q. Q can be defined here, then d divided by dt, integral v rho dt, which is equal to this thing. And then d divided by dt rho dt, the divergence, then that becomes j, and divergence of j d tau. If we remove the integral, then we may have d rho divided by dt, which is equal to minus del dot j. So this is the continuity equation. And gives a mathematical statement of local conservation of charge, conservation of charge.